How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today we are checking out Tesla. Tesla has been one of those stocks that everybody loves, but for some reason it's been forgotten. Everybody has been craving some Neo, some Li, some Xpeng or whatever, all these Chinese EVs, but what about America? What about the American Tesla? Well, finally we got some amazing news for Tesla. We are going to be on the S&P 500, and that shot up the stock $53 in the after hours. Once the news hit, boom, it went like crazy. Once I saw the news, I quickly opened up Webull and I was checking it out, and it was a whole bunch of buying and selling super fast. It was a crazy. Unfortunately, us normies, how the heck were we gonna be able to buy some Tesla at 210, at 220 before it shot up all the way to 260, 199? Not what the heck? Why can't it be 462? What? Are we going shopping tomorrow? Are we gonna go buy this stock that it has to be at 461 with 99 cents? But in the pre-market, it's gonna go crazy too. I wouldn't be surprised for it to move another 2% or another additional $7-8 in the pre-market before opening. But what the heck? You know, Robinhood, what? Like I said, why can we not buy any? Well, unfortunately, we really could not. Like I said, look, from all the way till 2 p.m. before the news dropped at 2:20-ish. Kapow! How the heck were we gonna buy? How the heck were we supposed to buy? Well, unfortunately, Robinhood sucks for that reason, and I personally took out a lot of my money out of Robinhood, and I switched over to Webull because Webull offers after hours and pre-market buying and selling of stock or investing in stock pre-market. So that's amazing. Thank you, Webull, sponsor of this video. Just kidding, not really. I just have an affiliate link. Really recommend people switching over to Webull. So much better than Robinhood because we can even see the charts. Let's take a look at what we have going on. Let's do some technical analysis. And for the reason that this video is called "Is Tesla Going to 500?" Well, boy, we're already more than halfway there in one pre-market, in one aftermarket session. I do not know what's going to happen in the pre-market tomorrow, but essentially I'm very sure the retail, everyone else, all the retail people who are using Robinhood, who said, damn it, I can't buy any Tesla, I have to wait until the market open, and for that reason it's going to shoot up even more. I'm predicting it's going to be a very crazy day. But let's do some technical analysis. We are looking at the chart here on Webull. Again, I really recommend people coming over here, and we're going to draw some lines. And these lines are meant to, you know, see where people like to buy and where they like to sell. But from the high of back all the way in August 31st at 502, it's just been declining, up, declining, up, decline. So we're in a nice wedge. At least we have some indication of something's going on here. And yes, something has been going on for the longest time. We've been squeezing in a nice wedge, consolidating. The stock has been consolidating. Tesla doesn't know where to go. This has actually been really healthy for the stock because it starts to show what a true correct market price on the stock should be, essentially. And a lot of people were saying, I like to buy it around 400. I think 420 is a great price. A little bit over 430. I want to sell, maybe taking some profits, maybe wait for a little bit of a dip, which we had a couple of dips, like you can see, before its huge run back all the way in August. Once again, one here, one dip here, one dip here, and I would consider this a dip also. So the wedge has been consolidating for a long time, and then the hammer dropped today that Tesla is gonna be on the S&P 500. I used to criticize Robinhood that, you know, we didn't really get the news correctly or updated in real time quick enough, but it's here, it's telling us, and I'm pretty sure you are gonna know about this by the time you're watching this video. So you're now saying, like, okay, should I buy, should I not buy? Well, in my prediction, we've been consolidating for a long time. A lot of I will call them bag holders, unfortunately. A lot of people who purchased anywhere from $450. $450 would be right here. So let's draw a horizontal line. I think anyone who bought at 450 is kind of feeling a little bit of pain because they're like, damn it, I bought it too high, 450 and upwards, and the stock is only at 408. It stings a little bit, but now we are at 461.99. So we can't can't see this right here because we are on the daily, but if we extend to the 4 hours, we can now see the extended hours. And right here, this is where we are at right now. Wow, we have surpassed this huge support and resistance line. Like I said, a lot of people, you know, at 450 it starts to feel a little bit painful, and unless there's a huge catalyst of why we should go higher, people tend to sell pretty heavily. Let's continue looking and seeing what I mean. Huge sell-off, touch to 450, touch 450, sell-off, touch 450, sell-off, little bit of a dip, 450, ooh, what's going on? Maybe, I don't remember what happened here. We had some news or something, but then a little gradual sell-off and another dip buying opportunity, and 450 around, well, not 450, 440, and then we're down. But now we're at 467, and I think this is going to be the start of a new trend. I really do believe so. So as you saw, we are basically right here, 460 right here. I'm just gonna draw this little line so you guys can see it, and let's make it not purple, let's make it blue. Oh no, Tesla's primary color is red, so let's make it red. We don't want red days, we want green days, but okay, for good luck, we'll just make it teal. So this is where we're at right now, right here, 460. Yeah, sure, good enough. So the stock is gonna open here tomorrow, Tuesday, November the 17th. And from there, I just think we're going to start bouncing here. I think for a little bit of a while, we're going to consolidate in this zone. Why? Because people are, okay, it's going to be in the S&P 500, but, you know, a lot of people who purchase here, mixed signals. Should I buy? Should I sell? Obviously, the better answer is just to buy and hold it. I'm honestly thinking that it's gonna go to 500 easily. This is my goal line. How can we get there? Well, it shot up. I don't think it's gonna shoot up so easily. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm totally wrong. That'd be awesome, because I'm gonna trade this stock, well, if I can. Tesla options are insane as it is. Ooh, okay, actually I'm gonna take my comment back. Sorry guys, I am not gonna trade Tesla because the premiums and the option prices are too expensive for my account size, and I do not feel comfortable. I'm managing my risk. If I'm buying stock, I will hold and just buy it, but I'm not buying the stock right now because that is not a part of my plan. But I am just showing you guys what I'm looking at on the technical analysis. Huge wedge popped up. Can it pop even more? Well, certainly, because usually when we have stocks in wedges, the most that they can pop off is, I would say, the range of the starting of the wedge. So I'm gonna draw this measuring stick, and it's telling me we should be going all the way to 600, which I don't want to exaggerate with this video. Maybe I'll make an update video once the week ends and we see what Tesla where it ends on Friday, and then I can do a prediction. Are we gonna go to 600? But for now, I am totally certain we're gonna go to 500. Again, is it gonna pop off tomorrow at the open, midday, all the way to 500? I don't know. If it does, there would be a huge pullback. I think it's now going to go in a little stairs type of climb, and the best way for me to depict that is, I believe it's going to be something like this. You see how one day we have a nice huge push, then we have a pullback with after hours just kind of moving the stock, and then another push, and then a pullback or a stagnant day, a huge sell-off for some reason. So this is what I'm predicting, this type of area right here. Let me zone it in for you guys. I feel like this is what we're gonna get, this type of consolidation area climbing up all the way to 500. This movement itself was a $100 movement, from 320 all the way to 430, 420. So, but I believe this will be on a smaller scale, because again, even though we have gotten the news that that it's joining the S&P 500. It's a very big thing for Tesla, but we've known about it for a degree, so I feel like a little bit of pricing is there in people's minds. Are they going to feel like Tesla is expensive once again? Well, they shouldn't, because Tesla just had a split a while back. But 500, we're gonna touch it. No, this week. I'm very certain. This is what I predict: a huge up, down, but we're gonna touch it, and then we'll see. I will do an update video on Friday. You best subscribe for that video, because like best insider information over here. Just kidding. I have no insider information. I'm just doing some technical analysis. This is my opinion. I could be totally wrong. Tesla can open up at 462 and then dump all the way to $100. I'm just kidding. No, that would not happen. It could do a nice pullback all the way to 430. Like I said, a lot of people who were purchasing, will they take this opportunity to sell and take profits? I really doubt it. I mean, huge news that it's going to join in the S&P 500. If not that should be a catalyst for me to say, that's why we're going to 600. That's why we're going to 700. That's why we're going to 1,000 yet again. But right now I'm going to take it nice and slow. 500, easy target. We're going to hit it by the end of this week. Like I said, I want to trade it so bad on options, but tomorrow they're just gonna be at the open, spiked up heavily. I'm thinking, for example, this 410 call should easily be like $3,000. I know, crazy, right? $3,000. This is like a 3x. In that, even that is kind of like a low ball estimate, in my opinion. From 750 in the center. Whoever bought this, oh my gosh, whoever bought Tesla calls before the close or whatever, for whatever reason, maniacs. They must be jumping and screaming. Huge money tomorrow with these options. But again, like, even if I want to buy a $500 out of the money call for Friday, that's huge risk. Like I said, even though I'm predicting it can hit it, the volatility, the IV is going to shoot up. A lot of people are obviously going to be thinking the same bias. So that's going to make prices more expensive. And then, in order to make money on options, it's all about your entry. If you're paying too much, and then the stock does move in your favor, but time decay, implied volatility decays on you, you might get crushed. So be very, very careful with options. Be very, very careful trading Tesla. If you're buying for the long run, oh my gosh, amazing news. This is just the next leg up, like how we've had legs. I would consider like this is the next range up. Before we were in the 200s, then we were in the 300s, and now we're in the 400 to 500s, and now definitely we're going to be in the $500 to $600 range before going to the moon. All right, I love Tesla. I'm so happy that it's finally being in the news once again, because America number one. What? Sorry, Chinese EV stocks. Even though you guys been doing amazing and making me some money here and there trading it because of their low price tag, options on those are a little bit more affordable on my end. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.